So today we are going to work with index and match function together. This is our given table. Now what I want is whenever I click on A, it should give marks of subject 1, 2 and 3 of A. When I select D, it should give marks of subject 1, 2 and 3 of student D. So first of all, I will create a drop down. So for drop down, we'll go to data. In data, we go to data validation. Here we have to select list, and here we have to select range from name field. Then OK. So we have got drop down here. Now here I'm selecting E, and here I will write formula equals to index bracket start. Now index function want is array, so we have to give table array. We have to fix it by pressing F4 because table is going to remain same for all the students, comma. Second thing it want is row number. So for row number we have to write match function because with that we are going to get that row number. So match, again start your bracket. It is asking us for lookup value. Lookup value is we want marks of student E. So I'm selecting E. Then here we have to fix it. So we have to press F4, comma. Then it is asking me for lookup array. Lookup array will be this name from name range, and we have to fix it again, comma. For exact match we have to give 0. Again we have to put comma. Then we have to give next field. It is asking us for column number, and for column number we have to write match. Again start the bracket. Again it is asking us for lookup value. Here we'll be giving lookup value subject 1, and we are not going to fix it because subject is going to change, subject 1, 2 and 3 and like that, comma. Then it is asking us for lookup array. So lookup array is this from A1 to E1, and we'll fix these cells, press F4, comma. Then for exact match we are giving 0. Close all the brackets one by one and enter. So marks of student E in subject 1 are 77. Okay, fine. We will drag and drop it to get marks of other subjects. We can see it is 77, 67 and 90. Similarly, if we want to get the marks of student A, then A, and it has given us all the marks.